Good evening, my friends. Happy Labor Day weekend to all of you. Over 1 million Americans can expect to receive a surprise relief check from the Internal Revenue Service very soon. President Biden is now meeting with several congressional lawmakers to discuss the future stimulus plan. Automatic recurring relief payments may be voted on soon. My dear friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video. Also, to say thank you for watching every day, I'm giving away 4 $75 Walmart gift cards every week. Please enter these giveaways by clicking and then liking several of my videos and also commenting below the keyword of each video that you watch. Friends, the more videos that you watch, the greater your chances of winning these giveaways.
Even the families who were lucky enough to get out unscathed have lost homes, businesses, and heirlooms. In many communities, the waterlogged destruction is absolute. Eastern Kentucky is well known for its steep hilltops, rolling forests, and deep hollers. Those features, which make the region one of the most unique in the country, also create complications for emergency personnel. Our heroic first responders, including the National Guard from Kentucky and surrounding states, are working overtime to find and recover stranded residents. They've rescued more than 1,400 individuals since floodwaters hit. Nearly half of the rescues were by air. Late last week, I joined with every member of Kentucky's congressional delegation to support the governor's request to the president for a major disaster declaration to give our first responders federal help. President Biden issued that declaration promptly, and resources are already flowing into the Commonwealth to assist local emergency personnel. The President called me the other day, and Secretary Mayorkas did as well, and FEMA Director Criswell. We are deeply grateful for all.
The Internal Revenue Service announced that millions of taxpayers will receive refunds for late filing penalties assessed in recent years. The refunds will apply to penalties from the 2019 and 2020 tax years. If you received a late filing penalty for either of those years but haven't paid it yet, the IRS will remove it from your account. If you have paid it, you will either get a credit or a refund. That may be a very big deal for some taxpayers. Late filing penalties for individual federal income tax returns usually start at a rate of 5% of a person's unpaid tax bill per month, and that can rise as high as 25%. IRS Commissioner Chuck Redding said in a news release, "The penalty relief issued today is yet another way that the agency is supporting people during this unprecedented time. Individual tax returns must be filed by the September 30th, 2022 deadline to qualify for the penalty forgiveness. That deadline applies to 2019 and 2020 taxes, which you may have already filed. It is also important to remember that the regular tax filing deadlines for those 2 years were postponed due to the crisis. Penalties related to 2021 taxes from the most recent tax season are not eligible for the refunds. Other than that, you do not need to do anything to receive the credit if you are eligible. The Internal Revenue Service has said that most people can expect to receive their payments or credits by the end of September. The tax agency expects to distribute more than $1.2 billion in refunds. It is not clear whether those refunds will come via mail or direct deposit, or if taxpayers will be able to check the status of the refund online. The IRS said that in addition to providing much-needed relief to many taxpayers who were affected by the crisis, the refunds will alleviate some strain on the agency's resources, which were stretched thin even before the crisis. The tax agency has faced scrutiny for a backlog of millions of unprocessed tax returns and a serious staffing shortage, though a fresh infusion of cash from Congress is expected to help the IRS hire new employees and improve services for taxpayers. So friends, please let me know in the comments section below if you are still missing your tax refund. Friends, the keyword for this video today is Amelia Island. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, Please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Amelia Island, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And friends, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Representative Ilhan Omar, along with other progressive Democratic lawmakers, have also proposed legislation that would dole out regular stimulus checks or guaranteed income through monthly payments of up to $1,200 for adults and $600 for children. The Minnesota Congresswoman announced the proposal, saying that poverty is a choice. The Minnesota Congresswoman announced a proposal saying that poverty is a choice in a press release and a Twitter post about the proposed legislation. Democratic Representatives Dwight Evans of Pennsylvania, Marie Newman of Illinois, and Jamal Bowman of New York also endorsed the bill. Ilhan Omar said in an official statement about the bill, "For too long, we have prioritized endless growth while millions are homeless, hungry, or without health care. The crisis has laid bare these inequalities. We, as a nation, have the ability to make sure everyone has their basic needs like food, housing, and health care met." Omar pointed to the pilot programs in various places across the country that have provided guaranteed income to some Americans. The Congresswoman argued that the U.S. should become the leader in measuring and safeguarding our people's economic well-being, saying her legislation would be a start in that direction. The program, if the legislation were to pass, would not immediately begin sending out $1,200 checks to most Americans. Instead, it would create a $2.5 billion grant program to fund pilot guaranteed income programs across the United States. The programs would be studied from 2023 to the year 2027. The programs would be studied from the years 2023 to 2027, and then the national program would begin in 2028. Then the legislation would provide $1,200 per month to individuals making $75,000 or less per year. The heads of households with an income of up to $112,500 would receive $1,200 under the program, and $600 would be provided for each minor child. So, dear friends, what are your thoughts on guaranteed income programs? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, my amazing and beautiful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for this evening. Thank you, my dear friends, for joining me here every single day, and I greatly appreciate all of you. Please stay tuned because tomorrow I will be announcing a winner for the Walmart gift card giveaway. Thank you and have a wonderful and blessed Labor Day weekend.